Today we comparing two AI websites that generate a website for us. We have one node that same prompt for both website. Opening Safari for we can use. We use two website base44.com and the second one is emergent.sh. Let's start on building on a base44. Click on sign up. Fill with email ID and password. Same for emergent assets. Sign up. Here I am entering my email address and password on base44.com website. Here on Emergent Assets website, I keep username and email address and password entering for the registration process. I have wait for the both registration. So now Emergent Assets send link to my email address and base44 to give send code for my. So I am opening my Gmail account. So both I receive. For the base44, I note down the code. Login to base44 account. Now base44 is opening. Let's move on emergent website that also created. I am closing Gmail account, so we on two tab. I am opening my more notes and copy the whole prompt for generating website for us. Same prompt entering on both website. Now both website is gathering information we have input and start processing to create a beautiful website. We have take a few minutes to complete that instruction and make website for us. So we are waiting. Base44 thinking the pages and left side you see the some of them pages are created and some of on process. On emergent website we have a click on preview button, so see that's currently on thinking process and make a website for us. And on the left side we see the agent is running, so we are waiting for a website. We switching the tab base44 and emergent website, so we track the process of how much completed both of websites. Base44 completed their website. It's looking beautiful and color attractive and user. We try to search comparing two product iPhone 16 Pro versus iPhone 17 Pro. Let's see the result. Oh, that not see the entering information, but the UI page looks good. Yeah, so also we click on comparing. These details are quite good and see properly. All the component are working. Okay, website is also working. This Emergent also complete their website. We open link on a new tab. It's a design not quite good compared to Base 44, but let's try same from iPhone 16 Pro versus iPhone 17 Pro. Oh, this is no see anything in previous Base 44 looks good. For at least some dummy project also showing information, but here Emergent is completely dead. Thus, and also he displays some two item, but that UI is not quite good, but it's okay. Base 44 UI is good. Animation also good on Base 44. Okay, we had click on it to compare, so both of list properly quite good and comparing both its UI is quite good. Mobile UI need to work on, but it's good. On emergent side, we do not have any options on directly to move switch on mobile view or web view, but base 44 allow to switch web view and mobile view. Yes, here emergent is suggesting some improvement that automatically suggests. So we keep on yes and do it. Basically, that suggests some features in emergent in base 44 that not instruction any suggestion. So we like to communicate with our improvement. So we just type to gathering real information from search engine. Let's see it's working or not. Basically, base 44 is work on instruction basis. We can provide a proper guideline, so it create a properly for us, but merchant is quite low for the user input because the base 44 is quite fast and user attractive from my side. Let's it's working out, but basically both of website is good for make a website. For my comparison, base 44 is quite good compared to emergent website. but emergent as website also good for that provide a source code, but in base 44 we need to purchase for downloading source code. But emergent website provide a free source code of their website. If you develop also, that is very helpful to hear the base 44 raise a error, but we simply close the both of website. This is just an introduction of both website, how it's work and comparing small differences. Thank you for watching my video, and like, subscribe and share the video with your friends. Thank you.